Hello students, today our topic is Scratch programming, and in this lecture we are going to discuss some basics regarding to Scratch programming. So first of all, what is Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming language targeting kids. So it is basically for kids who want to design animation. So using Scratch it is very easy to design different types of animation. So Scratch is programming basically is a visual programming language targeting kids. Okay. And you can easily see here that a symbol of cat is there. Cat is basically an object by default, or we can say it as a sprite. Okay. And there is a code for our imagine program share. That is a code which we write Scratch. It is a part of the code. So we will discuss it later on. So first of all, let us take a brief description about Scratch programming. So Scratch is a visual programming language targeting kids. So first of all, it should be very clear that Scratch is a programming language, and second thing is that we can use it to create our own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. So using Scratch programming, you can design animations, games, interactive stories, okay, music and art. So that is the basic use of the Scratch programming language. Next thing is, I think it is clear to all of you what is the purpose and what is the use of Scratch and what is Scratch. Scratch is a programming language and it is designed to create different types of animations. Now as far as version is concerned, Scratch 2.0 version is mentioned in your syllabus. Okay, so Scratch 2.0 is also known as Scratch 2, was the second major version of Scratch following Scratch 1.4. So just after the 1.4 version, there is Scratch 2.0 version. So in your syllabus, Scratch 2.0 is there. So you can use Scratch 2.0. Higher version is also available, but Scratch 2.0 is recommended here. Okay. And next thing is, Scratch is a visual programming language that allows students to create their own interactive stories, games, and animations. So using Scratch, you can create your own interactive stories. You can design your games. Even you can design your animation using Scratch. So Scratch is a programming language that makes it easy to create your own interactive stories, animation, games, music, and art, and share your creation on the web. So you can also share on the web. So Scratch 2.0 is the second major version of Scratch, just after 1.4, Scratch 1.4. You can download Scratch 2.0. It is a free software. It is a freeware. Now, let us talk about the terminology used in Scratch programming. First of all, let's talk about stage. So, what is stage? Stage is the background on which animation and other action takes place. You can change the background. By default, it is white. You can easily see on the screen. So, white background is called stage, and the cat on it is a sprite. So, object is called the sprite, and background is called the stage. I think now it is clear to all of you, and always remember that cat is a default sprite and default background is of white color. You can easily see the image here. There is a cat is called sprite and background is called stage, and by default background is of white color. You can change the background as well as you can change the sprite also. We will discuss it on later on, but as far as definition is concerned, Stage is a background on which animation and other actions takes place. Okay. Now sprite. What is sprite? Sprite is a graphical image, usually animated, that a user can interact with and moves around. And as I told you that default sprite is a cat. So sprite is basically a graphic image. Most of the time it is animated and user can interact with it and you can move around it. So that is a sprite, which is a default sprite. You can change the sprite as well as in your sketch programming, but default sprite is a cat. You can even change the color, size, reshape the size of a sprite in sketch programming. We will discuss it on later on, but as far as definition is concerned, basically sprite is a graphical image, usually it is animated and user can interact with it and moves around also. Some other sprites in sketch library are here, so you can select one of them. You can see here different types of sprites are available here in sketch library. So if you want to select one of them, you can select it very easily, and they are defined in different categories. So category wise different sprites are available in sketch library. You can first of all pick category, and after that you can select one of the sprite available in sketch library. So these are the some sprites available in sketch library. You can select any one of them as per your need. Next point is block palette. Block palette is the area that contain all possible types of commands. Always remember that as far as sketch programming is concerned, we can we don't type commands related to sketch programming. There are different types of commands, and these commands are defined in different types of categories. Okay, you can easily see that there are different types of categories available here. These categories are motions, looks, sound, pan, data, events, control, sensing, operators. Okay, and some more blocks are also given. So you can select commands. So block palette is the area that contains all possible types of commands. So all possible types of commands are here. You can easily see it here, and there are different categories. These categories are motions, look, sound, pen, and that area is called block palette. Block palette is the area, and different categories are there for different commands. Okay, now let us talk about another point. So till now we learned three different terminologies. First of all, stage. Stage is the background. Second is sprite. Sprite is the object. And third is block palette. Block palette is the area that contain all possible types of commands. Okay. Next is script area. So what is script area? You can easily see the diagram here. Script area is the area that will contain your program or script. So you can write a script or your program in that area. That's why it is called the script area. And you can drag desired command to script area, and the drag command will become the part of a program or script. So basically you don't need to write commands here. Commands are already there, present in different categories in block palette, and you can select one of them, and after the selection you can just drag them into script area, and that becomes a part of your program. You can easily see that script area is given here. Okay, I think the concept of script area is clear to all of you. So script area is the area that will contain your program or a script. And to design a script, what you have to do, you can just drag the command into that script area, and then it will become the part of your program. Now let us talk about some important commands. First of all, head blocks. Head blocks are used to start a script and are usually found in event category of blocks. So as I told you that in block palette different categories are there, in which there is a event category in which head blocks are given. So head blocks are used to start a script. So first of all, if you want to start a script, then you should use head blocks. Okay. Using head block you can start your program. So head blocks start with a keyword when. You can easily see that when, after that a sign of flag is here, then clicked. And different types of head blocks are available here. Second is when space key pressed, when sprite 1 clicked. So normally we use when flag clicked. Okay. So when we clicked on the symbol of flag, then our program is going to be executed. So that is the use of head blocks. That is our first command. Always remember that we always start our program by using head block. Okay. So that is head block. So that is the basic of scratch programming. Now let us make a program, a small program in scratch programming. Scratch is already installed. You can easily see that the symbol of cat is here, that is scratch, represent scratch 2. You can also open it by using all programs and select scratch 2. So it is your choice. First of all, just install the scratch 2.0. Now when you just click on that, it seems to like this. Okay. Sprite is already here. As you can see that background is white, which is called the stage. Different options are available here. If you just click on the file, then there are different options: new, open, save as. Okay, different options are available here. Then in edit tag, different options are also there. Then tips, different tips related to design and animation will be there. You can select any one of them. So it helps to design an animation. And last is about. So just clicking on the tab about, it will show the information about the software. That is not connected here. Okay. Now these are the some important things. You can drag it anywhere in the stage. You can make the duplicate copy of it just clicking on that. This is the symbol of duplicate, to create a duplicate of sprite. You can see here. Okay. You can make any number of copies using this option. And the second option, which is near about it, basically used to delete the sprite, selected sprite. Just click on the symbol. You can see here that delete is written here. So you can just delete the selected sprite. Third option is grow. So using grow option, you can resize your sprite just like that by just clicking on that. Okay. And next option is shrink. So you can reduce the size using shrink option. See here. So you can change the sprite also. There are four different options available to change the sprite, and there are four different options available to change the background, that is stage also. So first of all, let us talk about the sprite. You can easily see here that position of the sprite is given in the terms of x and y coordinates. You can easily see here x and y coordinate. On at the left hand side and the right hand side at the corner, you can see the position of the sprite. Now if you want to change the sprite, as I told you that you can change it by just clicking on the option file. These are the different sprites available here, and different categories of sprite are also there. So you can select category wise, or if you want to select all options, then all sprites available in sprite library are visible here. So these are the different sprites present in sprite library, scratch library. Okay, you can select them category wise also. For example, if I just click on the animal, then sprite related to animal, then fantasy, then letters, peoples, things, transportations, all are available here. Sprites are also available theme wise. Okay, so you can select city, dance, dress up, flying, holiday, music, space, sports. These are available here. Underwater, walking, and two again types are present here: vector and bitwise. Okay, so that is the option. Just near about the new sprite, you click the sprite library, you select the sprite library. Different sprites are present in the sprite library. You can select any one of them. For example, I just select this dog, then click on OK. Now that dog basically is a part of your program. Now you can delete it as well. Okay, so as I told you that there are four different options. Second option is paint and sprite. Just click on that. You can paint a sprite here. You can design your own sprite. So different options are available here: line, rectangle, ellipse, okay, text, fill with color, erase. So different options are available here related to paint. These are the different colors. You can use it. And third option is, these are the symbol basically used to rotate or crop. Okay, third option is upload sprite. If there is a sprite in a computer system, you can upload it into your scratch program also. Select the location. And fourth one is camera. So these are the four options available for Sprite. You can change the stage also. These are the different types of Sprite one available here. Okay. So these are the different options used to used for Sprite. Most of the time we use the library, Sprite library. You can use camera option also. Now let us talk about stage. First of all, let us take a new sprite. Suppose I take this Alex. Okay, just click on that and then after press OK button. And if you want to delete existing sprite, it is also possible. Now you can, okay, first of all let us change the background option. So you can change the background also. Again, there are four different options available to change the background, or you can say that stage. Okay, so these are the options. First of all, choose background from library. Just click on that. Different backgrounds are available here. You can select any one of them, and again different categories are also there to change the background: indoors, outdoors, others. Now all backgrounds are available here. You can select them category wise. I just pick one of them. Okay, these are the related to indoors, then outdoors. Some others are also there. Themes are also given. Different themes are also there. You can pick any one of them as per a choice or demand of the program. So let us take a background related to beach. Just click on the OK. Now you can easily see here, girl on a beach. Okay, you can shrink the size. I just click on the shrink button. So I just select the background here. So different options are also available: paint button, and then you can upload the background. You can use the camera also. So four different methods are there. Let us take change the background again. This time I just take a background of a building or a school. Let us take the school. Now just click on the OK button. Okay, Now you can easily see here the background of school is there. Okay, and if you want to change the costume of a sprite, it is also possible. Okay, you can change it very easily. So just click on the sprite. Okay, and by just clicking on that, so just double click on the sprite, and you can change the color. So select the bucket option first of all, and then pick the color. Okay, so let us take, I just take a white color. Different colors are also available here. In there is a basically variety of range available of color. Here you can select any one of them. I just select white color. Okay, yellow. So click on the particular part of your sprite. You can change the color of that part of sprite. Suppose if you want to change um, the color, now let us take the color black, dark color. You can take the color, just click on that. Now the color is changed. You can also change the color of shoes. Okay, I just click on that. So um, you can easily change the background, available background of you have, or you, yeah, and if you have your own background in a computer system, then you can also change it. And if you want to use camera, then using camera you can also change the background. Okay, so now this is all about sprite and stage. Now if I want to move the object, then for that purpose we have to write a program in script area. And first of all, just select the event category, and then first event that we have to select is when clicked. Just after that, you can select motion block to define the motion. These are the most common commands that are used. So just click on move 10 steps. You can change the value of 10. Any value that is written within the circle you can change it. So I just try to suppose 100 steps, and just after that let us take another category looks. So just click on the looks and pick one of the command out of them. For example, I just select say hello, then just drag this command, and now it is a program, a small program here. So just click on the flag button, girls move, just after that. Okay, so different categories are there. These are the different categories. We will discuss it on it later on. It is our first video regarding to Scratch. So in this video basically I focus on basics of Scratch programming. So you can select any one of them. These are the different commands. These are the costumes. You can select the costumes here as well. Okay, so come back to the script. and you can insert the sound as well as. So three different options are available here. You can insert the sound by pressing on sound button, choose sound from background, record new sound, and using upload option as well, upload sound from file. You can upload sound from file also. Now let us execute this program. So when we click on flag button, that program is going to be executed. Click on that, you can easily see here. When I just click on that, girls move and say hello. Okay, again, let us see again. Just click on that flag button, and if you just separate any other command, then suppose say hello, then say hello will not be executed, because say hello is not a part of that program. Okay, now again I join this say hello to our main program, and then I just run this script. Then girls moves. So this is all about our today's lecture. I hope you like this video. In our next video we will discuss some more features of Scratch programming language. Thanks for watching this video.